Hi, my name is Amy Kessler. I'm majoring in special education at BYU, and I'm making this video for teachers and parents who would like to learn some ways that they can modify and make the computer more accessible for their students with disabilities. This is specifically going to help students who have a hard time with fine motor skills, such as typing, or students who have a hard time grasping the mouse and using that as a control. So the first thing I'm going to show you is called sticky keys. So if I come down to System Preferences and open it up, it'll bring me to this main menu, and I'll open up Universal Access. And then I'm going to make sure I'm on Keyboard and turn on sticky keys. And I have all these options right here. I have the beep and the display on. So this is going to be good for students who have a hard time pressing two keys at the same time. Normally, if I want to capitalize a letter, I have to hold down Shift and press the letter. But some students, for example, students with autism who have a hard time with fine motor skills, might have a hard time holding down both the keys at the same time, and that would make the typing process slower for them. So with sticky keys, I just have to press Shift once, and it turns on the shift for me almost like cap locks. And then the next letter that I press will be capitalized, or if I do it and then press the 0, it's going to put instead the parenthesis for me. Now, it would also be useful if you want to copy something with a shortcut and highlight it. Normally you have to hold down Command-C or Control-C for Windows. So with this, I just press Command once and it'll show me in the corner of the screen that it's working, and then I'll press C. And then I'll press Command again, V, and it'll paste it for me. So the next thing I want to show you is slow keys. If I turn slow keys on, I'm going to put it on long just so you can see really how it works. This is going to be good for students who maybe while typing will accidentally hit multiple letters at the same time. When I have slow keys on, I have to hold down the letter for a few seconds for the letter to actually come into the document. So I'm going to press K now, and I had to hold it down for a couple of seconds for the K to actually show up. Now the last thing I'm going to show you is called mouse keys. So if I come into mouse in my Universal Access and keyboard, or Universal Access, sorry, and click mouse, I can turn on mouse keys. So, and then I brought up this page from support.apple.com that shows you what keys are going to control your mouse. So this would be good for students who have a hard time grasping the mouse. So if I hold down, if you have a number pad, you can hold down the numbers, but I don't have a number pad, so I'll have to hold down the letters. So if I want to move my mouse down, I hold down the K, and that moves my mouse down. If I want to move it to the left, I would hold the U, and that moves it to the left. And that would just help me if I can't grasp the mouse. So I hope that all of these tips are helpful for you, and that it will help you to allow your students or your children to access the computer better. Thank you for watching my video.